So we are in the rainforest.
We are in the jungle.
This is the creepiest shit ever.
We're in like 5 feet at once.
Oh my god, you guys, like people.
Oh Jesus, people walking around like it's nothing in here, buying souvenirs. I don't know why there's souvenirs in a rainforest. It's just weird, you know?
Let's go say hi to the tree.
Yeah, we're gonna make new friends. Oh my god, I want that big bear.
Where?
Look how big those shits are. Are they on sale for $1.99?
I don't know, but I want to see this.
I know.
Holy fuck. Holy. I didn't get scared. Watch her talk to you.
I know. Hi, I'm Tracy.
Hey, I'm Espanhole.
Hello.
Hablo en portugués. See, that would be nice.
You're so cute though.
Tree, talk.
Hi, I'm Tracy.
Yeah, I can manage to talk. Today. Right now. Now. Talk, Tracy. Tracy?
Tracy's on retirement. Wait, I think you picked something. Shut up, stop blinking.
This bitch only wants to talk when she wants to, and there's a guy here.
I know.
Fucking sexist bitch.
She's supposed to.
What are you talking about? I didn't even know what the hell I was talking about. Where? She's talking.
I'm Tracy Tree. Rainforests are home to people too. One of the best known tribes in Africa is the Pygmies. They are small.
Okay, this is where we say bye. Talk. Come. So we are going. Are you in this? Are you in this?
We're in the glow in the dark jungle.
Yeah. Yeah, look at the show glowing in the dark. Yeah. Stars and moons and painting stuff.
Bye.